Added Corner.
Hi everyone, welcome to
Added Corner. I'm Adeline.
And I'm Adeline's mom. Today we're going to read Doing the Garden. Please like and subscribe to hear more great books like this one. Enjoy! Doing the Garden by Sarah Garland. Spring has come. We need some flowers. We'll push the old pram to the garden shop. There are plants and seeds and bushes and trees. Can we have a tree? Good idea. It is rather big. And it is a long way home. We must plant the flowers and sow the seeds and plant some sticks and bury some bones and dig them up again. Let's dig a deep hole, deeper and deeper. Gently, gently, in it goes. What a beautiful tree! Bird!
Thank you for reading this book with us.
If you would like to hear more great children's books like this one,
Please like and subscribe.
we'll see you next time.
Goodbye. See you later. Goodbye.